So, hello guys, I am Dhawal Balsara, and today I am going to show you an custom Chrome extension that I have created for myself because I was so tired of commenting on LinkedIn by myself. So, basically, I created a custom automation which basically goes through the post. Let me show you the demo first. So, suppose that this is the Alex Hermos's post, and I want to generate some comment. It's generating the comment. So, you saw it, but I didn't like this one. So what we can do is we can tap again on the comment button and it will generate again. So you can say this is the comment that I liked it. So true that moment of resistance. It's about persistence and genuine problem solving, not just pushing. I like this comment. So what I can just do is publish, and this all is totally free of cost. No API charges, nothing. Everything includes in this open source custom Google Chrome extension that I have created specifically for the guys who are tired of commenting by themselves on their LinkedIn to grow their basically to grow their LinkedIn accounts. So here is the custom automation. Currently, it's named as custom commentron. Here are some styles that you would like to. What is the comment length, tone, and general like industry focus, what are focusing on, general technology marketing, anything whichever year comes in, comment style, professional and casual, like whatever you would like. There are two styles available. These two options, this I'm currently working on. It's not working that particular well, but yeah, it can be worked well again. This all is the open source code available on my GitHub. I'll post a link in the description as well, and in the comment, I'll pin a comment in YouTube as well. This is the other uh, checkbox that helps us to like to boost an engagement. Suppose I want to generate a comment which ends with a question, so that we can have an engaging conversation with the people. So now it's generating a comment. Let's see what kind of comment it generates. It's great point. It's so true that the real work often begins with the first no. If we want, like, we can remove these hyphens and all the things, because at the end of the day, this is AI generated, so we need to remove all of this, as it's just copy pasting from Gemini, and you know, it's like pasting it in the comment box. And what's your go-to strategy for turning no into yes, or at least a valuable learning experience? Now, this kind of comment we can generate basically. Now, suppose that I want to generate over here and I want to generate very short comment, like, yeah, short. I want to thoughtful, general, and let's go with the casual and human style. That is so spot on. That pitching slapping one really hits home. What's your go-to way strategy to start a conversation without sounding salesy? This is it. I just need to add his uh like I just need to tag him and yeah, comment. So this is it, and it is generating very good comments with higher impressions. If I could show you, let me show you. Like, let me pause the video and I'll show you what part I'm talking about. Yeah, so you can see this comment was generated with the help of this Chrome extension, and you can see it went to 60 impressions. Like, I'm being totally honest, some comments go above 50 impressions, some go even 1,000 impressions, like not 1,000, 100, some go 500. and one of my comment that I generated using this custom bot, like a custom Chrome extension that I have built, went over more than 4,000 impressions. And you can see I only have around 380 followers list. See over here, you can see I posted on Rubin's post, and like it got me over 136 impressions. Plus, I got his comment as well. So now you can understand. See over this prompt as well, like this comment as well. It was totally generated with the help of AI. Now let me show you how you can do this. Basically, for that, you will need to go to this particular GitHub URL that I'll provide you in the description as well. You can go to this particular GitHub URL. You can just download this code as a GitHub zip. You can just download the zip. You can extract the zip, and what you need to do is get to the Chrome extension tab. This is the URL again. Remember this URL. Get on this Chrome extension tab, enable the developer mode, and load the unpack. Once you have extracted the folder from the GitHub URL that I have provided, just take it and select the folder. Once you have done this, you need to go back to the LinkedIn, refresh your LinkedIn, and it will it will show us a pop-up something like this over here in the right hand side corner, top right hand side corner. Yeah, so you can see this kind of thing will be pop up. You will get to know, and once you just need to, once you have like uploaded on the Chrome extension, you just need to pin it, go it over here, and very firstly it will ask you to enter your Gemini API key. Now I think that you might know how to get an Gemini API key. If you don't, then do let me know. I'll post a video accordingly so that you can get an Gemini API key and publish it over here. And later on, I'm thinking to include more and more models like OpenAI and other models, so that we can have paid options as well, which we can later on like get proper comments rather than just this some random comments, because as we know Gemini is not that quite good, but still it is providing us quite amazing results as I showed you my prompts. So here it is. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section, and again I'll post all the links in the description. If you need anything, do let me know. If you have doubt on getting Gemini API key, again let me know in the comments. I'll create a new video accordingly. Thank you. Sairam. I'm Dhawal Balsara again. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.